guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and here we are yet again with another video on the XAUUSD Forex Trading Strategies. Why? Because it's been one of those crazy days again, and it's been going on like this for a while now. It's just been crazy for the past months. But hey, who are we to complain about it? It's always good news to have good trends, right? Anyways, I cannot wait to show you guys what happened, so let's jump right into it. Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna have a look at the XAUUSD Gold Forex Trading Strategies for today, because it's been again one of those crazy days, and we had some really powerful trends and some good trades to jump onto that you would not believe the potential behind it. But I'm so excited to show you guys what happened and to unpack today's snapshot and today's chosen trend, if you want, because it's been one of those crazy days, like I mentioned. We've all know gold has been a bit all over the place in the last few months, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing, especially if you know what you're doing. So let's jump right into those charts. Okay guys, so you should be able to see on the screen right now the snapshot of today's XAUUSD Gold Forex Trading Strategies for today, because like I mentioned, it's been another one of those crazy days, and I cannot wait to dissect this snip here for all of you guys to understand and use. When I'm saying that it was a crazy day in the XAUUSD strategies for today, I mean the potential behind it has been absolutely insane, and we are talking, as you can see, we are talking about one single trend that completely makes the day in terms of the trading point and what you can get out of it. Now, as you guys know, gold is one of the trickiest markets to play around with, especially if you don't know what you're doing. So if you are a beginner in the XAUUSD market strategies and you are here to learn, then you are in the right place, because here it's where we go into the basics. And I explain these things like every day until you guys tell me to stop. It's just really good to have information, like really simple, clear, informative bits and videos to help you guys and improve your skills into the trading market, because at the end of the day, that's what we all want to do, right? To improve our trading skills, especially if we are talking about the XAUUSD trading strategies. It's always good to know more, and it's always good to try to improve. Anyways, what we are looking on the screen right now, like I mentioned, is just a little snippet of today's market. And we are looking at the XAUUSD trading strategies for today like it's a lifesaver, because you know what? It is. It's actually such a good trade and such a good trend to jump into. And I'll explain the details as to why in a few seconds. But first, I need to explain exactly what happened over here. Just around 2 o'clock in today's XAUUSD trading strategies, the momentum trading indicator, which is the beautiful indicator that I'm using on the screen right now, has notified me of the starting point of a trend change, and that's where the market direction has completely turned opposite. So that's where the market direction changed, right? So like I mentioned, this happened at just around 2 o'clock, and it lasted all the way until 4 o'clock-ish. So that is a continuous trend for 2 hours in the XAUUSD market. And if you know the history of the gold forex trading market and the XAUUSD trading strategies in general, you would know that 2 hours of a continuous trend can only mean good things. So let's jump right into those details. In order for you guys to understand the potential that hides behind this snapshot of today's XAUUSD trading strategies, we need to understand the exact details, and the potential of it, of course, has a really good implication in it. So in order to take only the potential of this trade, we would be looking at the lowest point, which would be just around 1925 as a price point, and it went all the way up until just around here, roughly 1938 as an exit point. And guys, if you make the difference, you would be left with just around 13 points. Now, for those of you guys who are new here and you don't know what I'm talking about, points are not pips, but there is a really straightforward way to calculate your pips, like I quickly mentioned in every video that we have. In order to calculate your pips, you need to take the number of points that you have, multiply by 100, and there you go. You have your pips. So in this case, we are taking our 13 points, multiply by 100, and we have 1,300 pips in the XAUUSD trading strategies. Of course, this is the benefit of the momentum trading indicator. As you can see on the screen, you cannot have it clearer than this. This is giving you everything you need, like clear, powerful signals and trend changes, like the color physically changes when you should get in or out. So it's giving you all that information clearly in your face for you to have informed decisions in the XAUUSD trading strategies market. And a good indicator is always a good thing to have. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it really useful and really informative, and you were able to learn a thing or two in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today. Because it's been one of those crazy days yet again, like the exact same situation that we had in the past, I don't even know, 2 months almost. Crazy market, and it's just great news every day for us traders, especially if you know what you're doing. And if you're new to the market, then hello! I'm here to teach you guys the basics, the ups and downs of it, and I cannot wait to show you guys exactly what really great benefits the XAUUSD market can bring you if you know what you're doing and if you have a little indicator to help you with at every step. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.